Here we are at 7881 Champion Way, Unit C. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, sitting right on the edge of the water, backing up to a pond. It's been beautifully redone with new flooring, new carpet, new paint. Centrally located, close to the airport, and 526. Bosch is right down the road. New vanities, new tile floors. The tubs have been epoxied as well. So follow along with me as we check out this gorgeous redone home. There's a wood-burning fireplace, and looking out, there's the back patio backing up to the water. You've got a place to sit and relax in the morning or the evening. Go ahead and take a load off in these rocking chairs. Coming up to the master, you have a second floor balcony, also with great views of the water to relax after a hard work day, on the weekends, or just to sit out and enjoy nature. You've got his and hers vanities in the master bathroom. New tile. This is going to be your third bedroom for guests. And they've done it in beautiful pastel colors.